In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract data from Pipedrive. If you need a clean spreadsheet for reporting, backups, or moving information into another tool, Pipedrive's export feature makes it straightforward. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips so your file comes out exactly how you expect. To get started, open your Pipedrive account in your web browser and sign in. Make sure you have the right permissions to export data. Many teams restrict this to admins or managers. Navigate to the area you're working with: people, organizations, deals, or activities. You can begin from a list view, but don't worry if you're elsewhere. The export option is accessible from the main interface. Look for the More menu, typically near the top of the screen on list pages. It might appear as a button labeled More or as an overflow menu with 3 dots. Click that to reveal additional actions that aren't shown by default. From that menu, choose Export Data. This opens Pipedrive's export settings, where you'll choose exactly what you want to include. This page is the heart of the process. Select the data type you want, such as people, organizations, deals, activities, notes, or products, depending on what you need for your analysis. If you've applied filters in a list view, you can often export just that filtered set, which is helpful for getting a focused slice of information. Next, review the fields to export. Pipedrive usually includes standard fields by default, and you can often add custom fields your team relies on, like lead source, stages, values, or owner. Take a moment to confirm date formats, currency fields, and any multi-select fields so they make sense once opened in a spreadsheet. If there's a choice of file formats, pick the one that works best for you. CSV is great for compatibility, while XLSX is convenient for direct use in Excel. When everything looks right, click Export. For smaller datasets, your file should download right away to your browser's default download folder. For larger exports, Pipedrive may prepare the file in the background and provide a link or send it to you shortly. If nothing appears, check your notifications or your spam folder and make sure pop-up blockers aren't preventing the download. Before you share the exported file, scan it for sensitive or personal data to stay compliant with your company's policies. That's it. Your Pipedrive data is now neatly packaged for analysis, backups, or migration. Thanks for watching and happy exporting.